All right, let's take a look at our continuous duty vacuum. This is our bench mount vacuum in action. You can put this under the bench or leave it on top of the bench or put it away, but it's designed for each operator to have their own vacuum so they can collect their materials at the end of the day. Can handle submicron material down to 1 micron. We have HEPA filtration if you have other materials besides 1 micron, and also solid. So we're going to show you here, extremely quiet. We have a 2-inch hose, very powerful. Some plastic shavings. That's a typical type material you would see around a workstation. So you can collect this plastic material into the hose. You have some chunks as well. You may even have some rags, so you'll see that the rags go. Let's say you have metal chips, so you'll see we've got really fine metal chips here that we're going to collect off of the workstation. Real quiet, really powerful. So now the operator can control the vacuum right at the source. We have all different types of nozzles and crevice tools to get in and around the equipment. This is a dry recovery continuous duty vacuum.